Ekeme, you are a betrayer to your sister. Yes, you are a real betrayer to your sister. Ask me, quote me for anywhere you are a real betrayer. Is it Ekeme, UK family? She's a betrayer to editorial. If you never watch that her video, go watch her. Now part one, we dey wait for the part two. Before she drop part two, may I quick drop this my part one for her too. You understand? May una not come for me. You drop your comment, no insult. Drop your comment as a mature woman, as a mature lady, as a mature anybody, man or anybody. Yes, welcome to Naija Daughter TV. If today is your first time of coming across this my channel, do well to subscribe. All my returning, God bless you all. I do appreciate every one of you. I want to go outside. Yes, I want to go outside, go drop my CV. As I say this, my sister, I say, no, may I quick drop my 2 cents before I dey go outside, before I go drop my CV. My beautiful sister, editorial, come. You see, this life, this life, it get as it be. Yeah, they go now. Please, first of all, let me leave editorial. Let's ask know how we'll sit a soft peace storm China. My beautiful sister, UK, Ekeme, if you watch my video or somebody pick this part for you, please, you can still assist her by go to her Google Asset, then remove all editorial detail. Yes, you can do it. Now her accent now go. Remove all editorial. You know, when you they apply, when you reach 1,000 watch hour and 4,000 1,000 subscriber and 4,000 watch hour, then you go ask. You understand? You go, that is, you go re-ask, you go put all your information. I don't know whether I just dey hurry. You go put all your information, all her information. That is, you go remove all editorial, because that thing happened to me for this Naija Daughter. Say apply. You can chat YouTube up also. Chat YouTube up. Everything when they happen. So YouTube is there for you to chat YouTube up. Once you chat YouTube, okay. If you chat YouTube up, I don't know whether you pass all those things. You go to Google, then you go to Google Chrome, then you go YouTube Future, then you click, then you go open that page. If na phone you dey use, you go open that page. Or if na laptop, e easy. Once you just open am, then click that your picture. You'll see studio. Click and it go show you. You'll see where they go put question. Chat with YouTube, question and chat with YouTube. Then you click that chat with YouTube, explain everything to YouTube. YouTube will correct you. Say, my Google AdSense, I want use this my email. Now my sister own I fair put before, they will correct you. If you not see do like that, go to, if you they apply, remove all editorial name, all editorial everything. Then bring piston, passport. If piston already get passport, put piston, everything. Where they will for say ask for name, you put them. Where they will for say address and phone number, everything, ask. If na that one, oh, okay. If na go, if na pin, na con dey wait. Maybe na don't ask, put am. You know, that is now they wait for pin, never stick on. Do am manual as I first talk that time. I don't know whether because they hurry. Do am manual. You understand? If you don't fit do am manual, you don't know how to do am manual. I go fit send am to this girl. What they call her? This her friend. I will send her the video. Then she go send her to piston. Yes. To watch her how she'll take do am manual. That one and for that one. Yes, me 5 minutes don't pass. My beautiful sister, editorial. If waiting your sister really narrates, say not true. How person go stay with you? The person they come out. You know if you give her money for transport. And this person don't be saying na work. She they go work. They stay your house. She dey your house. They wash your clothes. They do. Other man say the piston himself. He get character. Or maybe we forget. No matter what. Wait your sister really talk not true. You understand? If anybody they stay with you, try treat that person well. Not say because of that person needs something for your hand, you use her like slave and you dump her. It's very bad. Nobody know tomorrow. Remember, you know, so I tell you, say, if they can't, first people when they subscribe to you, I believe I they among of the first people when subscribe to you. Yes. You get one of your ex when you they carry, when people would they blast that time. You know, you don't tell why they, maybe today I know, you don't tell why. I know you're strong. That's why I say, I love where you are today, where you be. And how you take, you know, they go school, you work for hotel, when you go there on top of bike. For our present, not for bike, and for our present, not for bike, and for your dad. For my present, that is for social media, they present. Now you for enter from one room to the other one, from the other one to you and your children today. You know, sitting, say one day, this distinct piston, God can still change her history. Person stay with you. You know me say, may she not success in life. She must still success. wetin God destiny her to be, she must do am. When she stay with you, she wan comot no matter anything, all her character or your insult. I receive some comment that say they see am say pastor no get character. Yeah, person dey born children like that, person dey get brother like that. But as far as say e wan comot where you dey, why can't you give her transport? Why can't you make her hair for her? My sister, for that part is, in fact, you make big mistake. Whether e work cloth for you, whether I do everything, whether I eat, she dey stay there, she do all those things. That one na part. Then when she dey comot, because they say when they quarrel and you are a social media person, you get YouTube, you get name when you supposed to protect. You no even fear at all. You when you get China, you when you be social media presenter, when they do everything for YouTube, and when you be big YouTuber, you no even fear. You no even think. Wait, where your husband? Sorry, what's your husband they do for all those things? Your husband no say that girl wan come up from una house. I also receive one comment. I say one comment when they say your children pass flight. You and your children pass flight. Though not be you born Elizabeth, but anybody when they stay under you, may we learn hand. May we learn how to treat everybody as our own. Because people when stay with you today, remember you still small like them before, but today you are a mature lady. Who do you bad? Who do you good when they grow up? Today you go they use that eye say they say there. Still remember, do any children when they stay with us, any children at all when they stay with us, they will still reach that our stage. That our stage, they will still reach them. They say you pass flight, then your sister, your husband's sister pass the road. For me, now brother, I blame. I not blame you. No. I blame your husband. When I see that comment, you know this I divert. And the way they can make the part 2. Now they are for re-talk. I blame your husband for that thing. For example, me say I want pass flight. Then my husband and sister picking, they stay with me. I'll say, my husband go ask me, say, why? Why your husband not buy ticket? If you say you don't get money, why your husband not buy ticket for a sister? May sister pass flight with you when you not get the money. Anybody when they stay with us, as we treat our children, may we they learn how to treat those people like our children. If you don't have that kind of heart to treat people, children, like your own, don't go for anybody, children. If na cane, if na gari, if na water, that pikin and if mama they drink or they swallow or they eat, leave them there. One day they will pass on. Me, I stay with my mom. I know they stay with you today, do slave with you today. You know me, say me, you know make her. That one and for that one. My sister, editorial, learn how to treat people well and learn how to call everybody as your own. As you treat your own child. Treat other people's own child equally. You can't even bow, say, pick when you even give birth to. The one when you not give birth to, when you take care of, the way when she will treat you when your old age, or the way when she will give you that respect, your old age. Your old picking when you put for your womb, it will not do half quarter of it. Yes. I don't see a lot. Then if you have opportune, somebody stay with you, learn how to treat those people right. If you don't have that heart to treat people right, don't go for people's children. Leave them where they belong and where they are. How can somebody stay with you for how many months? She won't leave your house. Transport, you know, forgive her. It dey bitter. That is why I say, me una carry this matter come off for social media, because my sister, Ekeme, this one, she say your sister not do when you call her. For me, wait, if anything when stay in your sister, people go say you do well. You understand? Not bring anything come out again. Now your sister, no matter what. Number one, me personally, I go take and say, you want maybe editorial, it's not good for you. Now they get misunderstanding. You understand? You want try. Open her nyash. You want try. Bring her down. Yes. Wait till editorial. If you ask you, the narrators, me, they talk and they rush you. The thing they scatter. In fact, my belly make. You understand? It's not good. But for me, not bring any part to. If you quickly watch this thing, you get mom. Editorial get mom. Why editorial mom? Grandma. Why you not fit handle this thing? Why? Grandma, why you not fit handle this thing? When your daughter not send, at least you go protect your daughter image on social media. If na my mom, she go send that money, go give Piston. If na 10,000, na editorial send out for me, say the vet for you. You editorial not even know. Because you know, say na this social media. And through this, your daughter, now you take all those subscribers when you get. So protect anything when stain your daughter, stain you, grandma. Because Piston say she call you, she report to you, she never hear from you. As a grandma, as a mother, I expect you to handle this issue outside social media, not bringing it to social media. Remember, na editorial blast all of una, bring una come out for social media. Nobody for know una. And the editorial, once people, their subscriber, like somebody like me, I've done first turn editorial bear off. Imagine many people turn her bear off. And how many view? It go still dey affect you now. No. Because now somebody when bring una come show us. And the person now we don't say and say she don't be who we say she be. It go affect many of una. Please, may una carry this matter come up for social media. Yes, editorial, he wrong Piston 100% as we dey see now. Then Piston was rude and proud. That is Piston. Piston was desperate to make sure say she get there with with hurry. May pikin put the thing, he go put her. Because she was desperate to monetize, not be only monetize, she was desperate to be famous on YouTube. Because many people monetize, they know they get the view. Imagine video I don't drop for how many days now? It never reach 1,000. Now waiting now. I think they say Piston just drop video, which it just you're just now editorial thing. Now make her. I still come. Yes, I come with peace. May una settle this matter out of social media. My sister, if you bring her to me, I'll now that time I'll sit down. With that time, I'll don't go submit my CV. I'll come back, sit down, deliberate on her. This video, I want quick edit. Me, I blast her. Yes, I'll see in my next video. See, I don't insult anybody. Drop good comments, okay? I just quick, say tafia me body sweet, As soon as they bring her, will they come? I beg, sister. I look as a mature woman. Please handle this matter out of social media, okay? Now, wait till I say ask when they bring this matter come for me. I say, wait till you they do. Wait till grandma they do. You understand? As you they come out, I never sit down. May I give editorial, give everybody get their own. But I beg, Piston, may we find as you talk. I'll send that video now. Give this thing. If na manual, na one go do. Maybe I don't already put the name. Na manual, now will do. Okay. I'll see you in my next video. Ciao, ciao.